So I'm doing this video in two parts because I'd like to be thorough. So I wanted something a little more high tech. This guy I've had for 3 years, and I've only had to charge it like once a week. I'll keep it for work since I'm so rough. I'm a CNA. But off the clock, I wanted something nice, and I wanted to be able to see my messages. So for the messages, you got to make sure on your phone settings that your previews are turned on. That took me 2 days to figure out. So it goes through a lot of stuff here. Let's do an activity real quick. This little silver tap screen it's pretty sensitive. But I also provided a screen recording of the app itself, along with a couple pictures. You could change the face. Now, I've had this a week, and I've had to charge it about once a day for like 20 minutes. Probably because it's doing so much. It's always constantly doing something. And you'll find that out in the app once you get it. My daughter has one. We use it at the park every night. I run every morning. So far, so good. We're going to keep it. Good luck. Enjoy.
I'm here to give a review on my fitness tracker that I got. I think I've had it about a month now. Everything works great on it. My time is off by 2 minutes, but that's quite all right. It checks my heart rate, my blood pressure, my oxygen level. I'm able to set a timer for exercise if I'm going to do reps or whatever. It's been working out really good for me. It was a great buy. I would suggest if anybody was considering to buy this fitness tracker, it's a great buy.